Hello, everybody. I got a lot of questions asking me in Fermat's last theorem. I related it to binomial, telling me why the interior terms becomes a positive number. Why G is not zero? What's the reason it is not zero? I'm telling them it is a binomial rule like that, but I will prove it also. I will look at it. That's why I am repeating my Fermat's last theorem in 3 lines related to binomial. The first person in the world doing this, solving Fermat in 3 lines. Okay, look at this. Question is A to the n plus b to the n equals c to the n when a, b, c, n are integers and n more than 2, please. Okay, proof. First line. If a plus b equals c, like 3 and 5, 8, then raised to the n power, this become binomial. Then you will get the middle, G. That middle, G, is positive number. No need to ask me why it is positive. Never be zero. Take it away, became this side less than that side. It is done. This is your Fermat. The first line. Second line. If A be less than C, like what? 4, 5 is 9, less than 10. Okay. Less than 11, less than for infinity. How I prove that? Okay. I will erase this to binomial. Just ignore this section here. Let me tell you which one. Look at this. Look at this only. This one. A plus B less. Okay. Both sides raise it to the n. But you know, those two terms from a Fermat less than the binomial. Always. Less than. Then, open this. Oh, no need to open that even. No need to use the binomial rule. Just when the first less than second, second less than the third, then the first less than the third. That's it. It is done. But the problem is, this one was, when A plus B greater than C, 400 years. Okay, people, mathematicians, Einstein, everybody confused. They didn't solve it. Honorable Andrew Wiles did solve it, but took him 10 years to study, then to study that. Then he used another professor to create another theory to help to solve. The number pages for solution 129. Okay, and he didn't give his solution to any math society for evaluation. No, he told, come here, math professors in the world, and he did describe that in Oxford University, UK, and the top mathematician world were there 3 days, and he got $1 million gift from King Fahd, £1 million from Queen Elizabeth, and went home. Good for him. And after 1 year he came back, told, I had a mistake. Then I am asking those honorable top mathematicians in the world, 3 days he described his solution. Why you didn't figure out that mistake, honorable 200 or more professors? Go read the history about him. Then he told, I fix it. Okay, what about me, poor man? Solve it in 3 lines, in 1 pages. Okay, let me go to that one. This one. Greater. Okay. When it's greater, looks like what? This is 9 and this is 7. I have to subtract something. I told shifting. See, a minus u, b minus v. Of course, u, v are integers, and because those total is equal to c, and still a minus u is positive, and b minus v positive. When this is 9, this is 9 too, like that. Equal. Did you get it? Positive, a minus u positive, b minus v positive, and what else? Let's go raise this first side, second side to power n. Then I got binomial. And binomial, the first one to the n, second one also to the n, but in the middle we have, depend on n, how many? Interior terms, the total k. That k is positive. Who told you that? Binomial. Okay. And k is positive. Do you have question with that, please? Do any more you asking me k is why it is positive? Who told you? Binomial. Why? Because you are raising the positive number. The answer should be positive too. Okay, maybe you tell me a to the n and b to the n positive. I know, but those terms will not go away, the k, because this a minus u not equal to b minus v. I should mention this. I should mention a minus u not equal to b minus v. Never. B is bigger than a. Okay. Continue. Now, I have another other two binomials, a minus u to the n and b minus v to the n. This one will be a, the answer is here, a to the n, okay? Then many terms, even include u, and u by negative or by positive, it doesn't matter. When you add them up, you will get t. That t is positive because you are raising positive, like a to the 3 or 4 to the 3, 64. This is 64. If this is something to the n, and this one, the complete the sum of this. T is positive, please. Okay, what about b? Minus v, binomial, equals b to the n plus r, and r also positive. Now, at k, t, r. T, k, r is positive, h. Okay, replace h. This is your equation 1. See, equation 1. Substitute a minus u to the n is what? And k is k. B minus v to the n, you have it. Substitute. And this becomes what? C to the n. It is there, equation 1. Okay, I told t, k, r, h positive. Take positive away. First side not equal to second side. This is Fermat. Okay? If you have any question, please let me know. I will put this on. I will put this on Canberra's opening gates. Look, I have here 21,000 people and 3,000 people. Look at my works. Many works I have. You can look at it. Okay. And you ask me, please, but without attack. Let me mention why I am telling attack. Look at this. Someone told I do not mention his or her name. See the words of attack. This is yet another fraudulent This is 1. Crank, 2. Who does not understand basic math. Yeah, I don't know basic math. That's why I solve it Euler, I solve it Fermat, I solve it general Fermat, I solve it Collatz in many ways. Please, no need to talk. Okay. Second, don't worry about attack. Come to this one. Do you see? This is minus. When it is plus, you will not see negative when it is plus. You will not see negative. Between a to the 5 and u to the 5, there is no many terms, not 0. Go ahead and add up those. Add those, never become 0. Why? Because a to the 3, u to the 2. Do you have something like that? Same base, same exponent, in order positive will cancel the other one? No. Even if you add negatives, is same as terms, bases, exponents with the positives? No. And also, not me, the binomial telling the interior always a positive total. Okay, what else you need to see? When you raise this to n, you have this rule, and you will get this, the h is positive number. Okay, now look at my solution again. Let me stop the video and you can stop it. I will put this in Google document. You can study it very well. And my full respect to everybody. Please, those solutions didn't come from nothing. I spent a lot of time from 2017 or 16. When I hired for teaching job, I have master's degree, 50 years, 60 years experience. License I had in Minnesota. And that school didn't hire me. 3 times I applied. It was close to my house. And when they didn't hire me, I came home. I had no idea what's unsolved problem, believe me. I heard it before. Some problems difficult. I thought, why spend time if this is not my business? But because they injured me, they didn't hire me. Then I asked Google at that time, 2016, can you give me some math problem and solve it? I need to prove myself front of myself first. What's my level? Then the society, math society. Anyway, I stopped with Fermat, then Euler, then Collatz. Of course, took my health, of course. Day and night I am on computer. And 3 a.m. at night I am there. And thank you for my wife, she suffered because I am always at computer and we are alone at house and she has no friend, no kids, all away from us, and difficult for a family, one in one room working math. Then I got a heart attack and they took me to Northfield emergency January 13, 2019. There I died. And they gave me electric shot. And I wake up. Then I died. Then electric shot. Helicopter took me to Abbott Hospital. They insert 2 stents in my heart. Then after 3 days I came back working with those problems. Anyway, the fat added up because no activity, no walking, nothing. Just think. And my heart was blocked by fat. Then I got that heart attack. Please, now I just solved those huge things for you. Believe me, huge things. If you go to this, you will see Euler, Collatz, Fermat, cubic root, not just cubic, 7 index root, 5 index root, 11 index root by hand. Many things I solved. You can look at converse of ring gates. Look at my YouTube. And my goal, why I'm talking, please, I need just one professor recommend me to math prices. Why not? My pension is, I'm telling true, from Minnesota retired, $275. No, 74. I'm sorry, I did mistake. I apologize. 274 per month, my pension. And then, no job. I thought maybe this will give me nice income, because I heard people getting $3 million for simple thing in math. What about us who used to think Einstein didn't solve it? I am liar when I told Einstein didn't solve it. Not just Einstein. Any professor who died, who alive, they didn't solve it. Then I solve it. Then where's my prize? Where's the recognition? That's why I'm asking, please, honorable math professors in the world, 1 or 2 recommend me. Why not for math prizes? I need that income. My age is 82, and my house and mortgage. And God bless all of you. Bye-bye.